this, y'all. Look at that bee. Huh. I think I know what kind that is, but I don't think I do. I do, but I don't know what kind that is. I'll look it up. Look how cool it is, though. So big. I know I haven't got this buddy on video. Kind of looks like a cicada killer, except cicada killers got red on them. There it is flying over there. Anyways, that was cool. Wish it would have sit there for a minute. I gotta get a minute of every, Anyways, this last part would just be this right here. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Until next time, peace. See y'all later. Subscribe.